Next up in our unbelievably dull and boring bag testing series, let's go and test 3 Royal Type B bags. Now you see 2 of them here. You see a paper yellow one and then a genuine Royal B HEPA, and then there's a generic one that has no printing on it whatsoever. So let's see what kind of filtration we can get for a Royal Pro Series vacuum. And let's start with the Royal B HEPA yellow paper one. And I just want to call your attention to what it says on the packaging. So we got HEPA type filtration. Doesn't say actually HEPA, like H11, H12, H13, something like that. But it does give us some more specs. That's one I like the most over there. Traps 99.9%, as small as 1 micron. It's better than what the Bosch actually said. So let's see if that means anything. And obviously this is a really huge bag, so it's meant to pick up a lot of dirt. That is some pretty nice filtration. So looks like we got a little bit of an outlier for the first run of tests there with that slightly under 1,000 0.3 micron count. But then overall we're looking at something a little over 1,000, say around 1,300. But notice that the 10 micrometer and the 2.5 micrometer both sit at 0. So bottom line, Royal's actually pretty serious about this type of bag right here. That does a nice job for an inexpensive non-bazillion ply paper bag. So that's really something. Okay, let's set up and try the genuine HEPA rated B. Let's take a look at what the advertising is on the Royal bag here. Look at that, 99.97 all the way down to 0.3. I mean, that's a real number that you can actually sink your teeth into. That's really something. Well, let's see how it tests. Yep, Royal means business with their genuine bags. So even though it doesn't say like H11, it does have the telltale 99.97 down to 0.3, which is typically associated with H11. So yeah, you want yourself a good HEPA bag, Get the genuine Royal bags. They are expensive. Now, time to do a totally generic, unbranded bag. I mean, there isn't any printing on this thing at all. So let's change it out and test bag number 3. Now for bag number 3, the totally, completely generic and unlabeled Royal Type B bag. I don't know what it costs. Maybe $2 a piece? I'm not sure. It just kind of came with the machine. Well, nowhere near H11 specs, but there's no specs printed on it at all, and definitely better than the paper bag, so it's kind of in between. Not nearly as good as the genuine Royal HEPA, but I'm thinking I paid like $12 or $13 for a 2-pack of these things. So at like six some odd dollars for one of those bags, that's pretty steep. If you could get one of these things for maybe $2 a piece, I'd say probably go ahead and grab it, because that's not bad. You still got 2.5 and 10 microns at 0, and this is under 1,000. If you don't need or don't want like perfect H11 or maybe H13, then this generic bag here is a fine substitute for all your Royal Pro Series Type B needs. Okay. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.